This tutorial review will show you how to delete Gmail account permanently. You can delete your Google account at any time. If you change your mind, you might not be able to recover it. So first of all, open your Gmail and click on your profile. Then go to manage your Google account. And here, click on data and privacy. Inside of your data and privacy options, click on more options. And click on delete your Google account. To delete your Google account, first you have to confirm your Google account by entering your Google account password. So give your password here and click on next. And scroll down and check these two options and click on delete account, and then your Gmail or Google account will be permanently deleted. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.